Discover the potential of this first floor 2-bedroom, 1-bath cooperative offering 922 square feet of space ready for renovation. The layout includes a spacious 20x12 living room, an 18x11 primary bedroom, and 7 closets for excellent storage. Sold as is, this unit is ideal for buyers looking to update and make it their own. The proportions, natural flow, and first floor convenience make it a great opportunity to customize. Residents enjoy a well-maintained building with amenities such as parking and storage, waitlist, monthly fees, a small on-site gym with an annual fee, and a playground. Monthly maintenance is approximately $1,029.27 and includes heat, hot water, cooking gas, electricity, cable/internet, and real estate taxes. The breakdown is as follows: base charge $841.77, Spectrum cable/internet $60, energy $62, 2 AC units $50, security $10, and a dishwasher fee of $5.50. The unit holds 310 shares, and the building applies a flip tax of $35 per share. Situated close to the Lindenwood Shopping Center, local schools, major highways, and the express bus